playing in the dirt here. I got something special today. I'm really excited about this heavy duty series. Rapid rope recovery, auto stop, fully integrated mountain wiring. So hook it right up looks like to the Ranger. And wires there with it. Yeah, right there's a wireless remote. For that. Supposed to fit down in that. And it looks like there's some screw holes here. My thing is I would just probably leave it laying there. Looks like the hardware to mount it to the bumper. Subscribe. Let us know if there's anything else you guys would like to see. And we'll see if we can take care of that.